Top 3 structural theory books na ginagamit ko personally sa pagtuturo. Number 1 is Structure Analysis by R.C. Hibbeler. This is highly recommended especially for beginners kasi klaro yung explanation niya, maganda ang flow, at very detailed ang diagrams. Ideal ito especially for building a strong foundation sa subject. Number 2 is Structural Theory by Casimani. Ito ang ginagamit ko mismo sa klase ko. Balance kasi ang theory at problem solving. May real-world applications pa, kaya perfect for deeper understanding. Number 3 is Practice Problems in Theory of Structures by Isplana. This is a local book na sobrang useful, especially sa board review, student-friendly kaya madaling sundan, at punong-puno ng practical problems na pasok sa CE Board exam style. So kung seryoso ka sa subject na to, these books will definitely help you study smarter. Hindi lang ito about sa memorization, kailangan mo ng right tools at enough practice. Follow me for more CE tips.